What do elephants and birthdays have in common? Absolutely nothing. But stick around and see what I'm up to. Surprise! Cory, it is your birthday. And this is a birthday surprise for you. You have been set up by Adrian. Anyway, so our mission, this is how birthdays and elephants come together. Apparently, elephants are one of your favorite animals, and we had to use blue. Of course we do. It's your favorite color. I also did sneak in a little bit of green because, hey, it's Adrian's favorite color, and he was the one who got this all organized. So happy birthday. Hope you enjoy this. As you can see from what I did before is I created some skins using the bloom technique. Unfortunately, it didn't go quite as I had hoped, and my blooms kind of melted and became mush. But I could still use a lot of the blooms for my elephant piece. And you'll see that I am using an 8-inch round from TriArt. And here's my elephant. This is a picture that I took. And I am tracing out my elephant on kitchen paper because, hey, don't really bake, but I sure do a lot of art and a lot of stenciling. So this is what I have. And then I start cutting everything out. It took quite a bit of time to look at the skins that I had, the patterns that were on there, and to decide what was going to go where. And with what I had, I knew that I wanted to make the baby elephant be kind of the lighter pattern with the smaller cells on it, and I wanted Mama to have the bigger pattern and darker blue colors on it. But there is a little bit of the light in the Mama because I did want to tie her together with her baby. So I, in addition to using the colors, I also wanted to look at some of the patterns that were there to see if I could kind of place them in a way that would look not really natural, but that would make sense for the shapes that I was cutting out. And you'll see this process as I go through right here. One of the things that I found was helpful to me with this was to trace the elephants on both sides of my baking paper because I needed to see it one way to see how it would look on the round, and then I needed to see it the other way so that I could trace it onto the back of my skins so that I could then cut out the pieces.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. One time for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around, buy you a birthday whip. 2 times for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around, buy you some birthday gifts. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Lil' Shanae, Louis V8 for your birthday. Earring, ring, ring, diamonds. Earring, ring, ring, shine on. Hair done, nails done, makeup. I wanna break up just to make up. I adore you, so I Dior you. Is it to you? I need more of you. Make it so I spend it, this is for you. Make it so I spend it, I am for you. Happy birthday. It's your birthday.
Now that I'm seeing how this is going to look, I've decided that I really needed to do something about the background. I didn't want to completely eliminate that tin backing, but I wanted to add more color behind the elephants.
I'ma mess around, buy you a birthday whip. 2 times for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around, buy you some birthday gifts. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Lil Shanae, Louis V.A. for your birthday. Come on. Step it on your day, no slide on. Step it on your day, no cry on. It's your birthday, stop crying on. Big lights, drop top, new wheels, ride on.
Okay, now I'm happy with my savanna background, and it's time to put those elephants back on top of it. Here they are, and I need to glue them to the base. So I'm going to use some Josanya gloss varnish and just paint the back of the skins and glue it down.
It's your birthday, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
And here they are, all glued down, but I'm not done yet. I taped up the back because I'm going to add resin over this. So I've lifted it up and I've made sure that it is level before I go and add the resin. After mixing up my resin for the required 4 minutes, I let it sit for quite a while till it heated up and thickened up, and that will help to keep that resin from pulling away from the edges. You'll also see that I'm dabbing the edge there with some paper towel, and the reason is that the color had bled a little bit in the resin, and it's simply because I did not have enough time to let this fully cure. But it's okay. I fixed it by just dabbing those colors out. And here they are. Oh my gosh, they look so great. And the resin, as always, just makes all the colors stand out and sparkle and shimmer in the sunlight. I am wearing gloves. See, that background's even glittery with those 2 colors at the bottom. But I really like how they turned out. Cory, I hope you like your elephants. And these will be winging its way to your house so that you can have it to look at once this has had a bit more time to cure. As always, to my viewers, thank you so much for being here. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and like and share. Also, I want to invite you to go over to Art's Really Cool, where you will see Cory and Adrian create a whole bunch of art. Because you know what? Art really is cool. So check them out, support their channel, show them some love. The link will be in the description below, as well as in the card right above on your top right. All right, happy birthday, Cory. Hugs from Arizona. Bye.